Thinking about the weekend. In today's Hero Central, you always hear warnings about cats hiding in warm car engines, but this week, that's exactly what Dunwoody police encountered. The owner of the car somehow heard a cat's meows over the purring of his own motor as he was driving, so he called police, who popped the hood and found a cat. When an officer reached in to grab, he got stuck trying to get away, but a post from the Dunwoody Police Department says they were able to remove the kitten, no problem, unharmed, and now is looking for a forever home.